Hello guys, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. So today we are going to do the head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Good. So welcome back guys, and today we want to learn about the parts of the body and how you call them in Luo. We'll start with the head. Touch your head. So your head is called Wiya.
Wiya.
Goka, your
Goka.
shoulder. Shoulder is Goka.
Goka.
Chonga.
Chonga.
Tienda.
Tienda.
Let's go back again. Wiya.
Yeah.
Goka. Chonga. Tienda. Wiya. Goka. Chonga. Tienda. Wiya goka chonga tienda. Let's go. Wiya goka. Wiya goka chonga tienda. Chonga tienda. Chonga tienda. Wiya goka chonga tienda. Now, ears. Ita.
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 Wanga.
Wanga.
Uma.
Uma.
Doga.
Doga.
Ita.
Ita.
Wanga.
Wanga.
Uma.
Uma.
Doga.
Doga.
Ita. Wanga. Uma. Doga. Ita. Wanga. Uma. Doga. So we start again. We start from the head now. Wiya goka chonga tienda. Chonga tienda. Chonga tienda. Wiya goka chonga tienda. Ita wanga uma doga. Alright? Good. So remember, you can still talk about the parts of the body.
Yes.
Like the teeth are called laka.
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 Now the tongue is called lewa.
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 The nails are called koka.
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 The fingers are called lueta.
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 Correct. What else have we talked about? Hair. Hair. Hair is called ear witch.
Year witch.
Ear witch.
Year witch.
Ear witch.
Year witch.
Good. And which other part?
The elbow.
The elbow is called. I forgot. What is the elbow called? I forgot.
Comment down below.
Maybe someone can tell us in the comments. Yeah.
Yes.
Please tell us in the comments, how do you call the elbow?
The wrist.
The wrist. Oh, I forgot that too. Hey, those who know about this, please comment on the video. But we'll do a video that has all the parts of the body. So please keep how do you say? Keep on watching. Turn your notifications on, because in another 3 weeks we shall do a complete video about the parts of the body, including the wrist, the elbow, the back. Oh, the back is called toka.
Toka.
Yeah, toka.
Toka.
Yeah, toka.
Toka.
So let's start from the head. Wiya, goka,
Goka.
chonga,
Chonga.
tienda,
Ita.
ita, wanga,
Wanga.
uma, doga, laka, the teeth,
Yes. Laka.
lewa,
Lewa.
koka.
Koka.
Good. So let's just wind up.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and
Where do
remember,
they click? Just stop point. There.
down below.
Here. Here.
It's down.
Here. See here.
Okay.
Click. Please click. Please click here. Here. No. Here. Okay. No. Here. It's here. Okay.
Remember to turn on your notification bells. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti. Goodbye.